Are your Windows Live application failing because of the User Experience Core DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. While preparing the manual steps for User Experience Core, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the User Experience Core, a core user interface library used by the legacy Windows Live Essentials suite. It provides shared ribbon components and common UI controls for applications such as Windows Movie Maker. If missing or corrupted, the application may fail to render its primary interface and display errors such as User Interface Library failure. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. A damaged or incomplete Windows Live installation is the most likely cause for this error. You'll need to reinstall the latest official version of Windows Live to restore required files such as User Experience Core DLL to the application directory. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including User Experience Core, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for User Experience Core. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing User Experience Core library references. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix User Experience Core. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.